naughty Christmas. It was Christmas Eve on the island of Sodor, and the trains were doing their work before Christmas Eve night. They were working very hard. Sir Tompam Hat was also getting ready for this wonderful holiday. Okay, the Christmas tree is ready, and it looks beautiful. Time to check Santa's nice list and naughty list. And Chloe Richinman. Okay, now to check the naughty list. Okay, I have the naughty list. Okay, let's see here. Andrew Rurgay, Hobby Adrian, and Sir Tompam Hat. Perfect. Wait, Sir Tompam Hat? No! But how is this possible? I'm a controller. I shouldn't be on the naughty list. Wait a minute. I think I'm starting to have some flashbacks of why I'm on the naughty list. Okay, Gordon. I need you to pull the express. And guess what? No brakes. Yes, sir. Spencer, I need you to pull that car. And you've been very slow and not on time lately. So guess what? You can't be late. Not even a second late. Okay? Yes, sir. Thomas, I need you to pull Annie and Clarabelle. And you can't get tired. Yes, sir. Oh, right. Well, what can I do about this? I can't redo 12 months in one day. What can I do? Wait a minute. I still have 24 hours. I will do 12 months of naughty in one day. You're seeing this, Santa, right? Spencer, I need you to pull that train. And you can be late if you want to. Aw, that's so nice, sir. You hear that, Santa? He said nice. Gordon, I need you to pull the express. And let me guess, no brakes? Of course you can have a break, Gordon. Really, I think you deserve one. How about I do it for you? Sure, sir, but how will you do it? You're not trained. I know. Man, Sir Tompam Hat has never gave me a break before. Although I really don't want to do it, I must do it. Thomas, I need you to pull Annie and Clarabelle. And you can get tired if you want to. Yes, sir. Well, I think my work here is done. I think now Santa is gonna change me from naughty to nice. The engines at the sheds were talking about this that night. Hey everyone, have you realized something different about Sir Tompam Hat this past day? Yeah, because he told me I could get tired while pulling Annie and Clarabelle. He told me I could be slow while pulling that train. He told me I could have a break while pulling the express. He told me that letters could slip out of the mail coach and I could make them slip out like I like it. Because I like slipping on them. It's really fun. And he told me I could have 1 hour of a break instead of 5 minutes of a break. And he told me I could be late while pulling my car. Something fishy is going on. And because of this, tomorrow I'm gonna have a word with Sir Tompam Hat. Yeah, go get him, Thomas. This is so relaxing. Sir Tompam Hat. Thomas, is there something wrong? Yes, there is something wrong. You've been telling us that we can take breaks and we can get tired and basically anything that revolves around like sleeping or relaxing and stuff. And why is that? Because the mayor of Sodor said that it was natural, sleep and relaxing day. Okay, you're clearly lying to me. Tell me the truth. Well, I guess I'll tell you the truth. Well, Santa put me on his naughty list. Why would Santa do that? You're a controller. Well, it's because I've been very mean to you. And all the other engines. Well, that is true. So I decided to be nice. Once and for all, so I could get on Santa's nice list. Oh, well, I see. I think Santa is watching you right now and just put you on the nice list. You really think so? Yep. Oh, look! There's the mailman. Letter for Sir Tompam Hat. Oh, thanks, mailman. You're welcome. Wow, a letter for you. Let's see what it says. It says, Dear Sir Tompam Hat, I've seen that you've been nice lately, so I put you on the nice list, and I removed you from the naughty list. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas. Did you hear that? Yeah, I did. I guess I am going to get presents after all. Hooray! This is awesome, isn't it? Yeah.